how I did this floor. I make one video, it should be somewhere, because found somewhere here the link to this video. So right now we have to prepare the support for this raised floor. I wanna left a gap, not gap, bit overlap here, overlap, oh, not overlap, okay, some kind of space here, just to left a space for this PVC cladding, and maybe be half a bit more, half a mil more, to left a space for some imperfections. Like usually will be some imperfections. This is temporary fitting. For this moment it looks like that. It's a temporary fittings, it's keeping out the shape when we and of course this one will be along that, like I told, this will be not like a construction element, it will be just like a cover, so it will be along, but I have to remove this block first, so will be along. I have to only check in a van how deep I have to go in a door side, sliding door side here, so it will be okay. And right now, like my favorite job, I make some holes to make it lighter. In this case I have to think where to make these holes, because it will be runners. Okay, let's clean this mess a bit. Great, I cut out numbering. Okay, this longest was C. We have to push it down because this glue, as you see, expand or swelling or whatever you want to call it during this process. So because it's something heavier on the top, and we have to wait till it sets. Glue is sets enough. It's not like a full set right now. It's quite soft. It will be hard like a stone later on. So if you're using this kind of glue for invisible elements, you have to clean it right now. Later on, I think it's impossible. I made such a mistake in a few places. So right now this like a piece of floor is on his place. Of course later on I will screw it to the floor. I don't want to use the standard blocks because I don't want to make a smaller clearance here. It is not much, so even for a drawer, so I use here just like a small piece of aluminum angle to make a clearance for the drawer from the bottom bigger. Who knows how it will look, but should be okay. Here will be additional support, this small one. Why? Because this is the most, probably it will be the most like traffic moving from cab here. People, me, will stand in this place, so I wanna support this place more than in here. And here we have like one support more, and it will be fitted, finally fitted, when I finish with hitting that here, or maybe earlier, I'm not pretty sure. And it will look like that. And of course we have this part. I have to chop it, the ends, in a market places, and we'll go under this and under this, and will be covered by orange PVC. So here we have gap, like I said. Here is a gap. I divide this gap for two gaps on the top and on the bottom, and of course this part of work is it finished. I have to wait till this glue sets properly, then I can start thinking about next steps. And I have to measure if I can do it in a one piece and chop for drawer fronts, or maybe better chop first, add orange, and I don't know yet. Okay, but let's say in this moment it looks like that.